Hello everybody, and welcome to this video on how to use the Translate Text link which is on our website homepage. This Translate Text link will allow you to translate any text into multiple languages depending on what you prefer, and by clicking the link you come to this page called Translate Text. The box here has two parts to it, and the first part is where you enter the URL or text. Second part is where you select the language. Now for the demonstration, what I'll do is translate this website, and what I'm going to do is to enter the website URL here and then select what language we want, and that is English to Chinese simplified. So select that, then click Translate, and the software will translate the website into simplified Chinese so we can read everything on the website more conveniently. Now every page is translated, and I'll just demonstrate that so that we can click the link for lessons, and all the material will be translated as well automatically for us. But when it comes to translating the text of, say, these files here, then we need to open the text, select that, and then put it into our box. So what I'll do is just open this file which is on colors, and I'll press Ctrl A, which selects all the text. Then I'll press Ctrl C to copy it, and then we'll go back to our box where we select the text, and instead of having the URL here, which I'll delete by selecting and then pressing the space bar, I'll now paste that text into there. It's going to go from English to Chinese simplified, and I click Translate, and fairly quickly the website will be that text will be translated for us. Now once we've done that, we can enter more text again into a box that says Translate again, enter up to 150 words, and you select the language and press Translate. Or translate a web page, you put the URL here, select the language, which I've done as English to Chinese simplified again, press Translate, and that will do that for you. Sometimes the translation is not accurate, and you have to be careful when you are doing the translation to realize that that is the case. This box here gives some translation tips. Tips 1. Use correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation for the highest quality translations. Tips 2. After you've translated some text, click the button marked Search the Web with this text in order to launch a search using the translation results as your query. And Tips 3. Compare a translated web page with the original by clicking View Page in its original language. Well, this is a very useful piece of software, and when you have an English text or an English website, to translate it back into Chinese helps quite a lot in understanding and reading it. And if you have any comments, maybe you could put them on my comments box, and I'd be very interested to know. And I wish you all the success with your English learning, and I hope that this actually helps you with all your learning.